It's September 10th, 2015. This is Ron Feinstein, New Wave Forecasting Limited, coming to you from Chicago with a special update for a euro currency forecast I made about 1 month ago today for marketstoday.net. In fact, at the time, I believe the euro was trading a little bit lower, somewhere in the vicinity of 111.75. Today we're trading up near 113. Now a lot has happened subsequent to that forecast that I put out, and you can look it up. It's on YouTube. I was looking for the B-wave triangle to resolve with a continuation of the upside and what I thought was going to be a flat correction. I didn't have the timing very close, but I did have I believe I had the concept correct, and you can see here how illustrate what I believe was the triangle pattern. Now, I guess I'll come right to the bottom line here on my forecast revision here today. I'm still bullish on the euro. I think it is still going higher. However, I am backing off from my 126 projection by Christmas. I think it's probably a little bit too much to ask for, given what happened on the subsequent break from the, I guess we'll call it the China event. I'm not sure exactly what to call whatever happened here in late August. I think in equities it will ultimately be classified as a tremendous buying opportunity, but that still remains to be seen. Now, I honestly can't say with a high degree of certainty that the recent test of 111 marked the end of a correction. However, I think it's a pretty good bet. The action today is pretty constructive. I would like to see a little more strength basis the December futures contract. I think if we clear 113.50, we've got at least a run at 114.50, and ideally we're going to chop our way up to new highs. My biggest fear with this particular market, honestly, for the near term, and we'll probably know more in the next week or so, is that we may be in a trading range here for some time to come. And essentially we could be stuck between 111 and 114 for literally weeks or months. I suppose it could broaden out a little bit too, similar to what we saw here in this May range. So again, it would not be a huge surprise if we essentially just went more sideways than up. So this is a tough one, but I remain bullish on the euro. I think it's pretty clear we're in a sloppy upsloping channel here with higher highs and higher lows. So, it would be, I think, somewhat naive to assume that the trend has turned back down at this time. And ideally, we will hold above 112.50 here and be on our way. Again, I think we're probably going to ideally run into resistance here as we approach the top of this channel. And that's where I think it's unlikely that we can get to 125 by Christmas. Although, again, I'm still bullish. And I think we have a better shot now, more realistically, 118 to 120. Again, kind of predicated on the assumption that the December futures contract can clear 113.50. So again, Ron Feinstein, New Wave Forecasting Limited in Chicago. You can follow me on Twitter at Ron Feinstein. And I'm presenting a revised forecast for the euro currency, which remains bullish. However, I am looking for a more likely target of 120 by Christmas than 126.